Hi, I am Bill Skripchek, president of Waverider Trading Technologies. The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips, catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live on our Slack channel, click the link in the description to join the trade faction. And now on with the show.
Aussie dollar, Singapore dollar. We are at a minor wave top. This was the one we were all trading. And I double dipped with a waterfall and I got both of them. So I got one about here and I got the second one about here. So that one was a nice little trade. This is pulling back. It may pull back and provide us another opportunity to go short here. So keep an eye on that one. Aussie dollar, US dollar. We are at a minor wave top, so we're looking for shorts, but this is very ripe with an amplitude of 57 plus. So this would have to pull back significantly before we would even pay attention to it. Euro, Canadian dollar, this is at a minor wave bottom. The trend has been going the wrong way, but I think we talked about this yesterday. I said this would be a high risk, but might be an okay trade to take. And look at that. That would have been a great trade. Yeah. I'll wait till it sets up the right way before I get in it. I want the trend to go like that and then a pullback. All right, Euro Chief. This one is at a minor wave top. So we want the trend to be going this way, and it is very close to that. So it's going to level out here pretty soon. And then once it starts doing this and then pulls back up to there, this would be a opportunity to go short. So keep an eye on that one. And then this one actually just fired short. It's still hovering around 14, 15, which is good. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that, see where it goes. But you could get in now if you wanted to and protect yourself with a waterfall. But that's the situation on that. New Zealand to US dollar. Oh, here's my revenge trade. Yeah, it continues to recover here. Bounced off of this bottom here, minor wave bottom. The trend is way in the wrong direction still, but this originally was a hyperextension trade that went sideways on me, but I'm not going to worry about it too much. As far as news is concerned, we just had durable good orders, which were good for the U.S. Canadian dollar announced retail sales that were crappy. The only other thing we have going on today that might have some impact is the University of Michigan consumer sentiment at 9 Okay, so topic of the day.
Right.
Something fun for a change. Mobile trading apps, trading on the go, trading on your mobile devices. Let's talk about that. What do you think about that, Dave?
Uh, I actually thought about upgrading my phone to one of the ones with a pen.
Really?
Yeah, because trying to take profits and losses on those things, I don't know if my fingers are too big or what, but I can't get those things to work. It's like I get all these things, but it's setting up the actual alerts, you call them. I don't even bother. I'll get into a trade and then basically I'll come to my PC and set up the rest of it for the take profits and all my stops.
The only thing that I have set, I have an Apple Watch, a Series 9,
Mm-hmm.
And I have the same problem as you. My fingers are too big. I can't do anything on a watch. It's just a pain in the ass. But I do have notifications turned on for my emails and Slack. So if an alert fires from TradingView, I see it on my phone, which is really nice. For example, last night I went to bed early because I was tired, but I have my watch on when I sleep, and I got the notification that it hit the profit target in the middle of the night. So that was nice. I like that. I used to stay in front of my screen way too long
Yeah.
because I wanted to see what was going to happen before I went to bed. Now I can just go to bed and get some sleep and know that it's going to wake me up if something happens. So that's really cool. And then also like when I'm teaching or something like that and I can't really pay attention, it's also nice to just have it on your wrist and you can casually look. The one thing I wish they would do that I haven't seen anybody do yet is have a watch version of the chart. That would be cool.
Oh,
Probably
yeah.
a good thing that they can't do it because that would just put me back in the mode of constantly watching,
Mhm.
which I don't think is productive. I think your mind starts playing tricks on you.
Oh,
And
I know. You second guess yourself, everything else, you stare at a screen.
right. Yeah, the little psychology monster goes nuts when you have too much information like that.
I just wish, like I said, I wish there was a way for me to, when these alerts go off, I could stop, go on my phone, and set up the entire thing. That would be fantastic from us big fingered people.
They do have a feature request.
Oh,
You,
yeah.
you can send it to them and they're pretty good about it actually too.
Hmm.
I just think their list is super long.
Okay.
All right. That I think this will be a very interesting episode, so we'll see what happens.
All right.